Hi, this is Scott with the White Glove Guys. Today we're going to show you on the T2000 thermostat how to program a schedule. It's a relatively easy process. We start by pressing the up and the mode button at the same time, and we hold it in for 2 seconds. And it'll say set program. And to do that, it gives us all the instructions. So cycle through, select the day of the week to start. Then you hit mode, and then we go for the morning on schedule. Mode again, and that moves to the next, and at the time we wake up. Hit mode when we're satisfied. And then we can select cool and heat. And then mode again, set the temperature that we want to wake up to. Once again on AC and heating. And then hit mode when we're satisfied with that. And then it gives us the next section of the program, which is the day, which is usually the time you go to work or you want the daytime temperature changed. A little bit later in the morning, once again, the modes that are available and the temperatures we want to raise or lower the temperatures to. When we're satisfied, we hit mode to move on. In the evening when we get home from work, and we can change it to the time we get home from work. Mode, the temperatures we want it to be when we get home. Hit mode again, and it's the bedtime schedule. Set the time you guys go to sleep. Mode again, temperature that I want it set to at night. Hit mode again, and then we come to press to program another day, or to copy it, you hit the warmer button, and it'll copy Monday to Tuesday. And press mode, and you can keep pressing mode to go from Monday to Tuesday to Wednesday and on throughout the course of the week. Once every day is copied to your liking, it'll go through and set it up like this, and you're all set. And that's how to program your thermostat.